The hairline, pre-pluck. Yes, ma'am, it's pre-pluck. There's no lying over here with the stylist. It is pre-pluck. So, hey guys, we are back. So we are back with the last wig out of this collection that I have. Again, it's courtesy of Sam's Beauty. So this is the stylist wig, and this is Kayla. So she's really cute. What I'm showing you guys is that she can do a right side, middle, or side part on either side because it is a 13 by 6. This one here I love. It's super cute, you guys. It is going to be a bob, and it's a wavy bob. So you do get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back. You do get that 13 by 6. This one did come with brown lace. So those are the baby hairs that come on this wig. What I'm showing you here is how easy it was to take off the last wig. I just sprayed it in the front a little bit, and it just really came up without any problem. So I'm going in with some alcohol. I'm going to clean off that forehead and get all that spray off of there. So putting this wig on, I just want to go into the cap construction on this one. It feels so good. Going through, letting you guys see that parting area. I do not have, I have a black cap underneath here, so I don't have like a light cap, and you can still see the parting area very good. So if you wanted to, you can go in with a little bit of powder, and I bet it would just make it pop even more. So here I'm taking the hot comb and I'm pushing those baby hairs back into the wig. Then I'm going to go in and make some slits on the sides. So I will tell you guys that this wig on the side did not cover my edges all the way, but I have this problem with all the wigs because my hair just comes out like further, my hairline. So as you can see, I took just a teeny piece of the hair, and I'm getting those flakes because I obviously didn't get enough out from that previous install. And what I'm doing is I'm taking a little teeny bit of hair from the wig, and then I'm blending it in with my hair. Now, as you probably can tell, my hair is more kinkier than this hair, or kinkier than the wig. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a small fraction of it and just blending it in with mine, and to make it the front of the wig look natural. Now I decided to put it in a up down style, and so this here was perfect. That way I didn't have to glue the whole thing down. Now what I will tell you about this wig can be worn glueless. It is big head friendly, but you got those adjustable straps in the back, and once you put them on, the wig doesn't move. Since I knew I was going to wear it up, I did want to go ahead on and put it down. So as you can see, the hairlines look phenomenal. You guys stay tuned for my pros and cons, because this one here is a gem. I wore her for a week. Okay guys, so this is the final look for this one, and this is Kayla. I think she is super cute. Definitely someone's style because she's short, she's flirty, and she just gives you a little bit of everything all in one. So if this is your first time catching me on the channel, thank y'all so much for pulling up on a sister. I appreciate it. I do bring you guys videos a couple times a week, 2, most of the time 3 times a week, on wigs, mostly synthetic. We do throw in some human hair wigs from time to time. So if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing after you watch this video. Go ahead on and hit the bell, hit all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload. So let's go ahead on and get into this cute little baby here. This one here is from the Stylist, and this wig review today is going to be sponsored by Sam's Beauty. Again, thanks to Sam's Beauty for hooking me up with some wigs from the Stylist, because before them, I had really not paid attention to the Stylist. So they have a couple different styles that's in this line. I pretty much review, I want to say all of them, maybe except 2 out of this line. So I will definitely link that in the description box below. If I forget, my loyal and faithful returning subs, you guys let me know. So this one here is super cute, super fun. As I mentioned, what I did is I didn't really glue this down or spray this down. I used it as a throw and go, took care of the front and pulled her in an updo, and I think she's super cute, ready for summer, ready for spring, or whatever you have going on. Go on and get into some pros and some cons on her. Only con someone might have is the hair texture. The hair texture on this is a more silkier texture. It is not yucky. If you were looking for something with some yak in it, you don't get much yak with this, but I'm okay with it. I just feel like I should mention it for somebody else. Next thing is it does have curls, but it's more like a blunt cut at the bottom. Some people may like the blunt cut, some people may not. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. As far as cons is concerned, this wig is super duper uber cute. I love it. I think it's everything you need in a short wig. Besides the hair texture, I would have liked a little bit more yucky in here, or maybe like a light yucky or something. But other than that, this is really pretty. I feel like it's not yucky because of the curls. They want the curls to stay and to last, and I feel like when it's silkier, the curls probably last longer, and you don't have to go in and you don't have to curl them. So that is going to be a pro. Next pro is this super cute cut.
I think this is great. This has to be about 12. It might be 14 inches up here, but about 12 inches. 12 inches always hits well on me. Same thing with the back. I love how it just barely touches my neck, and then it kind of gives you like this cut where it's kind of going down a little bit. That's really, really cute as well. Hairline on this is bomb. As you guys can see, all I did was spray it and just touched it down just a little bit up here, and I use my bed hair for that. You don't have to do that. It's not required. I'm going to come closer so you guys can see it. Okay, that's the hairline. I just took off another wig, so my makeup's all over the place. But that's the hairline, pre-plucked. Yes, ma'am, it's pre-plucked. There's no lying over here with the stylist. It is pre-plucked. So thank them for it being pre-plucked. I didn't have to do anything to it. And then I put this cute little barrette on here. This is from Some More Love TV. She sells these little barrettes. She has a website. I think it's Empress Styles or something. If I can remember, I will leave that description box below. I did order a couple of these from her, and they're really cute. I put a little rubber band up here, and then I took and put that on top so that way it would show. I think again that's super cute. You can wear this wig in so many different styles. I didn't get any shedding with this. Cap construction on all these are good. They're definitely big head friendly. This one is the same. It's big head friendly. Lace on this one is a brown lace. I have probably mentioned in other videos that it does come in other lace, so it does come in, I think, a neutral lace. If you somebody who want to dye it or spray it, excuse me, tint it yourself, you may want to get the neutral one. This one here, I did go in with a little bit of my Physicians Formula powder, and I think that it made it look even better than the last ones. You guys let me know if you've watched them all. I think it did. I think it did a little something to it. It made it look better. I do have on a black cap, so right here, of course, it gets into that black cap. But other than that, this is super cute. You guys, I love it. I think she's definitely, you know, got me ready for spring. So this completes my review. Thank y'all for stopping by the channel. If you haven't subscribed, as I mentioned before, please consider subscribing. Return subscribing to YouTube, babe. What's up? How y'all doing? Y'all know what? Y'all the real what? MVPs. Appreciate y'all continuously pulling up on me. If you guys decide to share this video or any of your social media platforms, go ahead on and tag me in it. I want to know if it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is going to be Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.